Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by stopping fuel flow and exposing the carbon surfaces, disconnect the battery, and protect electronics. Once done, remove the throttle body and any intake runners to reach valves or ports. You will inspect deposits to choose a method, mechanical scraping versus chemical soak, because hard, thick carbon needs scraping while light varnish responds to solvent. Make sure to collect debris with rags and use a vacuum. This prevents contamination and keeps sensors safe during the first cleaning passes. You now attack the heavy deposits. Spray solvent, let it dwell for 5–10 minutes, then agitate with a nylon brush and plastic scraper. This combination loosens baked carbon without damaging aluminum. Once loosened, vacuum debris and repeat solvent application until surfaces look clean. For stubborn areas, consider walnut media or a supervised chemical soak. However, make sure you mask sensors, gaskets, and mating surfaces to avoid damage. After each pass, wipe with clean rags and inspect for remaining. You finish by thoroughly wiping mating surfaces, installing new gaskets, and torquing bolts to spec. This prevents leaks and uneven sealing. Once assembled, reconnect the battery, start the engine, and run through varied RPMs to clear remaining residue and confirm smooth idle. Make sure to recheck vacuum lines and sensor connectors. If the engine runs rough or a check engine light appears, scan for codes, inspect seals and intake paths, and repeat focused cleaning on the specific problematic area to resolve lingering carbon-related symptoms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.